everybody, it's X7 here.
Shaymin Pokemon card.
Well, today we're going to be playing with fidget spinners. First thing we're going to do is spin them all at the same time.
Okay, let's see which one, loses.
Alright.
Oh, okay.
Here, let's see. I think maybe that one's going to win.
Hey, Adam, you
Yeah.
got a charger?
Oh,
What do you guys have?
a knife on?
No, yeah, you do.
I think this one's going
Upstairs?
to lose.
And wait, I'll be right back.
Looks like that one's going to lose. Yeah, that one's
Wait,
gonna
can you bring it down here?
Okay, that one definitely lost. Look, they're all slowing down. It's like this one's going to win.
Straight up yourself?
We're going to find out. Okay.
Welcome,
Okay. Who
Okay,
has lost?
these two lost. We need to spin them better.
Wait, okay, yeah. Wait, restart, restart.
Okay.
Ready, set, go. Wait,
That was
hold
a
up,
bad
hold up.
spin.
Yeah, that was a bad spin.
Can't even see that one.
What?
This one.
Oh, my bad.
Okay. Now it looks like this one's going to win. This attempt two. Okay, that one definitely lost.
Oh no. So these, this one lost. Oh no. Okay. I see the other ones though.
And I'll show you how kind of the different rims are on these ones. On this one than the normal one.
Oh no. Oh no. My blue one's going out.
I think that one's losing because these ones are lighter to spin. Does that make any sense?
Hey, Pa.
What the one?
No.
Okay, that
Bro,
one.
the one. How is the middle one out? I got a
Because
terrible.
it's heavier.
I got a bad. No, when it's heavier,
I
it
know
gets a
what-
better spin though.
I know, but
I got a bad spin on it. I just. Oh
Okay.
no! The
Okay.
white one's. The blue one has one.
okay, so let me
This
show you.
is actually my favorite one. So yeah.
Okay, that's good. Okay, look. Okay. So this one's mine with the metal rim thing, and then this one's like a normal one. The rims are definitely differenter than this.
Yeah, because this one is actually a bearing. A bearing.
In the
this
middle?
one- huh?
Is this one in the middle, right?
No. So this one's a bearing right here. This is. This is a ball bearing. Ball bearing, and these are just normal bearings. What? I heard you.
Okay, now we're gonna try to make the tower. Where's the other ones?
Right here.
Where's the other ones?
Right here.
Okay. We need to build the tower.
Right here. Where's the other one? Right here. Okay, you better be careful with this. Bro.
Okay, now put that one in.
This one's the smallest.
Have you ever FaceTimed someone and as soon as they said, "What's up?" your phone dies on them?
Oh yeah.
It just happened. Then you call back and it's so awkward.
Oh.
Like, sorry.
That's cool.
I'm
gonna look on top.
What the? Definitely spin better.
Wait, can I try? I'm gonna try to spin it.
It's like I don't want to tip it down, so that's why I'm like.
Okay.
Ooh.
Oh, that's
Cool.
cool.
You guys give you a better angle.
Oh, nice. That's good.
Look at that.
Oops, sorry. You can't even see it still. But okay,
Now
you're not
right
showing
on the
it. No. You're not even showing it. Wait, I got it.
Camera's right there. Whatever.
I'm all the problems. So really cool.
There we go.
So yeah, really
Now I
cool.
have to try a different setup.
Okay, so yeah, really cool. We got more lighting. Ask him. It's not my channel.
Okay. Now what else were we gonna do?
So we are gonna do some tricks.
Ooh, kill him.
Wait, I got one trick right now. Ready? Wiggle my ears.
It's weird.
Cool.
Ready?
Wait, I am better with this. Whoa. Ready?
I'm gonna break that.
Oh my gosh.
Guys, haven't seen our car vlog, so what we're gonna do like the whole time.
Uh-huh. Oh, guys, I did it for 1 second.
Oh, bro. How did that come out?
All of them over there?
What
Just
is
put
this?
them. Just put it. No, what are you doing? You broke this part off.
Oh. Hey! You guys are mean.
Wait,
And he
is that
stole
my-
mine.
Wait, guys,
This one's
look.
super hard to
This
do.
is how you do it, guys. Oh, wait. This is actually how you do it.
No?
Oh my gosh, no. It's not how you do it. Bro, why are we so bad like right now?
I don't know.
Oh.
Okay, there you go.
Okay, I got this. For reals now. No. Why? Why is it so hard now?
I know, like, spitting out on one hand finger so easy.
Oh, there we go. Did you guys see that? Pretty awesome. Oh, I did it.
kill him.
Switch ends. Oh, wait. Switch ends. Oh my gosh. Switch ends. Switch ends. Switch hands. Oh, switch hands. Yeah. But, oh my gosh, again?
Why? See if this works.
Bro, I dropped it so many times.
I think I broke mine. Okay,
Oh,
let me
bro,
guys
mine's
give you
so
a
loose.
close up.
Wait, I gotta
Turn up your brightness. It's so bad. Let me get in the lighting. Is that better? Can't even tell. But there's so many scratches on it now.
Mine has more on the edges, bro.
Dude, look. Look at this. Look.
Look at the edges on mine, though.
Oh, dude, look at mine.
Mine is
We're gonna break ours so soon. Okay.
Oh, yeah, because you drop them a lot.
I don't know if you can see that. Okay. I suck at this. There. Okay, let me just scoop them back.
Okay, guys. That's just better.
That one's back. I was gonna do water bottle. There we go. Now all four of them are spinning at the same time. This is intense. This one's gonna
That
definitely.
sounds really weird.
It's because of this one.
Yeah, that one. Who is gonna lose? You should
That
say
one's
who's gonna win.
This one's gonna lose. That one's gonna lose. It's between these two.
Yeah.
Are you guys leaving the trash can?
Yes, I am.
I am.
Yeah, this one definitely lost.
Okay, who's the next one?
Ooh, I have it. That one's gonna lose.
Oh yeah, that one's about to lose too.
That one's gonna win. What is up with this?
That one might actually lose before this one.
That one's gonna lose before this one.
What? They're
Yep.
both last place. Because I gave it like this. I went like that. I went like that. I didn't give it a big. Oh! A blue one that won again. This one always became champion.
I knew that was coming.
Oh, look at that. That looks so cool.
In 10 minutes, we're gonna end the vlog.
What?
Nothing.
Nothing. Let me just get this back.
Ready, ready? This is how you do it.
Ooh.
You messed me up.
Balance.
But that one's easy to balance. I could dab while balancing.
You could die while balancing it.
Mm.
Oh, you
Like
didn't get
this?
that on video.
Oh, excuse me. Excuse me.
him.
Excuse him. Okay, ready?
That
You
fell
broke
off.
it again. You're not allowed to use that one. You keep on breaking it.
I keep on breaking it.
You keep on breaking it. Or
Let's get
that
it.
was with my thumb. Now I'm gonna do it with my middle finger. Yeah, so yeah.
Ready? I'm gonna do this the hard way. You did spin.
Oh, wait, I'm gonna try this.
Oh, how
Oh,
did you get
that was smooth. I'm like, oh. Fidget spinner versus fidget spinner. Oh, which one? Which one?
That one.
Oh, whoa. Okay, this one's gonna tap out for now. We're gonna leave this one out because it keeps on breaking. But it still came in second place, which is really good. So yeah, we only got these three now.
Spinner battles.
Ooh, let me get this here. Okay.
Oh my god, I remember you got in the car and you left. Huh? Where did you go?
Somewhere in the baño, no.
This one barely won. Now
Fidget spin.
we should do that. So you spin them super fast.
Actually, no, I don't want to battle anymore, you know? Because it's already like getting scratches.
Look, so this is what you do. You spin that one, and then you just...
Yeah, but you still get like crashes from it, so nothing to do.
We need to get more metal ones as soon as possible.
Why?
So we're gonna end the vlog there. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like the vlog, smash that like button and smash that dislike button if you didn't like it. And see you in the next one.